So then I was thinking this term of remembrance, because it's always translated as remembrance of the Nam. Nam being, again, the sound current, the Shabad, this sound that is actually is the part of God that we can actually tune into within ourselves. Nanak again says, Gat Gat Vaje Nad, that this sound current is vibrating in every human, in every person, in every heart. Gat Gat Vaje Nad. So it's not a big, mysterious thing. It's in every person, every human being on the earth has this vibration of infinity of God is vibrating inside them. All we have to do is change our frequency and become quiet enough to hear it. Becomes activated in us. So this term of Simran, to me, is when that nod becomes activated and all of a sudden this sound envelopes a person. It's a presence. And it becomes all-pervading. It's everywhere you go, it's there. And Nanak often said, meditate on God through all the watches of the day and night. And I thought, who can do that? How many of us yoga students or Sikhs, how many of us actually can meditate like using japa 24 hours a day? Not possible. But when this nod is activated, that sound is there. So when you read Japti, the sound is there. When you're talking to someone, the sound is there. When you're working, it has to be a little bit quiet, of course, to become aware of it. But that is, to me, is the state of Simran. And so japa is not really Simran. Japa leads to Simran. Meditation, dhyan. Meditation is called dhyan. It's a concentration. When we practice concentration on the sound currents of mantra and gurbani, the frequency raises and the nod is activated. But that actual state of Simran comes spontaneously by itself.